Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World.
Kilala ang Pinoy master rapper na si Francis M.
Kilala ko talaga.
Oo naman.
Sobrang kilala ko. Bata pa ako. Actually, kilala ko. Na-curious ako ng bata ako. Sino yung mga sikat na rappers dito? Sikat ng driver ko. Sino? Si Francis M. at si Andrew E.
Yan.
So, so,
Tsaka, that was the time talaga na si Francis M. Talagang Francisism talaga, era days. Alright. If you were in Francis' shoes nung time na nagkasakit siya ng bonggang-bonggang, ganun kagrabe, will you still also post yung mga ito sa internet for all the world to see?
Well, depende rin eh. For me, siguro, hindi ko na rin. Diba kasi, ito yung decision na. Kasi gusto mo
Correct. And siguro awareness.
Awareness, I guess. Well, I guess maybe I would do it. Siguro to the fans, no? Ako or naka-do.
O hindi naman. Naka-meta, no? Nato pwede katukin natin. Alright. May nagsasabi na yung mga R&B, mga rappers dito sa Pilipinas, although they gain respect in the industry, hindi talaga sumisikat, or kung sisikat man sila, hindi talaga sila yung sobrang kikita. Unlike yung ating mga Pinoy pop artists or volunteers. What can you say about this?
Well, madami ako masasabi dyan. Because when you say pop music, hindi dahil pop eh. Kasi pop music means popular music.
Okay.
Wala sa genre. Like all the songs that you hear is pop. Like, yung mga sila, love the way. Example lang, nakakala ko rap. Love the way you like. And then, that's pop.
That's not rap.
It's rap.
But
it's pop.
Because it's part of the
it's
popular
It's
music.
popular music. Everything that you hear, that play, parating mo play, it's already so may ibang, may talent talaga. Siyempre, kasi wala pang, sorry, may ibang hindi nakikinig talaga. Wala, because this is a rock country. So,
oo nga, no?
This is a rock country. So,
rock country talaga tayo.
Kulang pa push. Hindi ko alam. Kulang pa sa push. So, ang dami ng artists na we have a lot of R&B.
Right.
J.R. Chris Lauren. Oo nga, bakit hindi sumisikat yung R&B? Ba't nakakalit ng K-pop?
Correct.
So, it's just, for me, it will take time to process. Kasi yung mga tao na diba? Tsaka everybody's to cross the line. Try and use.
Oo. Kumbaga parang kung ano yung medyo
they stick
common,
to
yes.
They just do what they, kung ano yung dati, yun pa rin nila. Alam mo, like, especially Korea ngayon.
Correct.
Sobrang laki ng production nila. They go Hollywood na.
Right.
Alam mo, so, yung mga ibang kanta sa sumisika dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga artists, bakit parang captain na people na
correct. Diba? Like, there are a lot of mga artists na gano'n na parang, bakit sa ibang country sinasamba sila pagdating sa Pilipinas? Diba? Parang, bakit gano'n? Yes.
She wasn't recognized.
As much here as in abroad. Talagang, you know, when I went to Singapore, talagang ang lalaki ng mga posters niya, and parang Asia's something, parang gano'n.
It's yung parang feeling ko sa picture.
Correct.
You know, if it's a good music, if it's a good song, it's a good song. Kasi rap, wala mga hip-hop, R&B, it's a good song. Ay, sabi, hindi ka isa. So, it's a good song.
Okay. Saan nag-start ang iyong R&B music influence?
Well,
when you were in
since
the
bata pa ako,
Yun talaga, like your friends, yun yung gusto nila.
Yeah,
and
some friends. Pero actually, hindi siya...
Kasi di ba pagka medyo pag sa probinsya, medyo, hindi ba sila parang medyo or laid back, tapos medyo yung mas gusto nila is country music. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Parang yun yung mga trip nila, parang, especially during that time. Siguro ngayon medyo mas open eh. Pero during that time,
actually,
paano naging influence ang R&B?
If you think about it, yung high high school ako, so kapag sinala mo hip hop, baduy sa kanila. Baduy, jokes.
Correct.
Yan yung mentality nila is either you're rock or house. Yung gusto nila house music.
Tama.
Parang, if I think about it, bumalik ako doon, nag-show ako sa ASAP ko natin. So, ano ba yun, it became a job for me. You know, sinabi ko,
CEO.
sabi ko nagpapalala.
Correct, hindi naman, pero hey, di ba? Parang yung sinasabi niyo yung Jologs and is actually something na, which is good to hear.
Ano ba yung after house na
Correct.
all these artists na mga ushers, good quality.
Right.
Yung natatakot sa Pilipinas, pag-rap sila.
Oo, ng mga, ang...
Diba?
Parang ako kulang yata ako sa kulang yata ako sa edukasyon tungkol sa ganyang klase mga...
It'll take that.
For people to become educated about yung this kind of genre.
Kasi, like, bilisan ko, yung Akon, yung mga nasa kahit sa
correct. Alam yung kanyang katawa. Ano si song na talaga sikat? Yung... Yes. So, diba? Correct. On music pa ni
Young J.V. Let me break it down every time I come around. They call me